See something, say something.
The duty to report is an obligation to report child maltreatment if you know or suspect it is occurring. Child protection is necessary to intervene with abuse and neglect of children, since they are especially vulnerable to manipulation and abuse. It is necessary to take steps to ensure a child's well-being. Children who have experienced abuse are put at risk of suffering from intense mental and physical effects. This can include anxiety, depression, severe physical injuries such as head injuries, and transmitted infections. These issues, amongst many others, can follow the child throughout their life or show up at a later point.
Child abuse is defined as an act or series of acts of commission or omission by a parent or other caregiver that results in harm, potential harm, or threat of harm to a child. Child abuse comes in many different forms and is categorized into 5 different areas. There is sexual abuse, physical abuse, neglect, emotional abuse, and exposure to family violence.
Signs a child may be being abused and what to look out for. Family violence. Children may show unexplained injuries, anxiety, or sudden aggression. Adults may exhibit poor self-control, excessive monitoring, or isolate the family. Emotional abuse. Kids might withdraw, self-harm, or fear consequences. Adults may reject, blame, or isolate them. Sexual abuse. Watch for unusual sexual behavior, nightmares, or refusal to undress. Adults may be overly protective or give inappropriate gifts. Physical abuse. Unexplained bruises, flinching, or fear of adults can be warning signs. Adults may have inconsistent explanations or use harsh punishments. Neglect. Signs include malnutrition, poor hygiene, and school struggles. Adults might provide little supervision or neglect basic needs.
If you suspect a child is being abused or neglected, take action immediately. Call your local Children's Aid Society. They are available 24/7 to help. If someone is in immediate danger, call 911. You can report anonymously if you prefer. A trained specialist will listen to your concerns. If a child is in immediate danger, they will act right away. Child protection workers will evaluate the risk and they will decide the best way to keep the child safe. Call your local Children's Aid Society now.
It is your duty to report what you see, so say something.